This video marks the start of our exciting new series featuring your top essential oil questions. Today's video will be a beginner's guide on what essential oils are and how they can help you. But first, let me introduce myself. My name's Retha. I'm one of Plant Therapy's certified aromatherapists and also the brand manager. I grew up using essential oils. My mom is a certified aromatherapist, and so essential oils have always been a part of my life. I love essential oils because they give me the ability to take care of my family in a more natural way. Our goal is to give you all the information you need to become empowered with essential oils so you and your family can benefit. The short answer is that essential oils are a concentrated volatile aromatic liquid that is obtained from the fruits, seeds, flowers, bark, stems, roots, leaves, or other parts of a plant. Plants create essential oils naturally and store them in tiny molecular sacs. There are tons of reasons for this, like attracting bees or other pollinating insects or repelling pests. They're useful. Citrus plants like oranges, lemons, limes often store their essential oils in the rinds of their fruit. These oils are literally the essence of the odor of the plant. It's super ironic that these oils aren't actually oily. How weird is that? Anyways, back on topic. A true essential oil is one that has been grown in its indigenous area, is harvested at its peak time, properly distilled, and not tampered or altered with in any way. True essential oils aren't just labeled as 100% pure, but are truly in their purest form with no adulteration or additives. By now you might be wondering why you need essential oils. Well, essential oils are an all-natural way to help with common symptoms and everyday concerns, as well as help balance your whole being. Essential oils are a type of alternative medicine. I don't recommend essential oils replace someone's medicine, but talk to your doctor. Essential oils can and do help, and I often say that essential oils are complementary to what our amazing bodies already can accomplish. The benefits of essential oils are huge. Essential oils can help with regulating your immune system, helping to regulate emotions, support your respiratory system, ease nervous tension, boost your energy levels. It even helps me relax and sleep soundly, and so much more. So before I get into which essential oils to start with, I want to talk about safety. First, when applied topically or to the skin, I always dilute my essential oils in a carrier oil, body care products like lotions or creams, or aloe vera jellies. And you should always check your bottle of oil or Synergy for a specific dilution recommendation. Diffusing essential oils can be quite powerful, and if you plan to diffuse all day, I recommend diffusing for 30 minutes on and then 30 minutes off instead of keeping it on all day. After about 30 minutes, the essential oil has done its job. On kiddos under 10, you only want to use kid-safe oils and blends. I always keep my bottles tightly capped and out of reach as well, just to be sure. Even though essential oils are natural, you really don't want your toddler dumping it on the carpet. So now we get to the good stuff. If you're new to essential oil uses, you're probably wondering which ones to buy first. Well, some of the most popular essential oils have tons of different uses. Lavender helps promote sleep, relaxation, and encourages a peaceful, calm mindset. It can also help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, scarring, help with pain associated with sunburns and bee stings, and it smells amazing. Lemon essential oil is uplifting and also helps support your immune health. Plus, it makes a great cleaning agent. I always keep a bottle in my kitchen. Eucalyptus is great for helping with congestion and respiratory health. It also helps ease discomfort from aches in your muscles and joints associated with aging. Plus, it stimulates mental focus. Tea tree oil helps remove odors. I think it works great as a personal deodorant and has been used for years to help treat problem skin. And like lemon, tea tree oil also makes a great cleaning agent. I use tea tree in my laundry to remove musty odors from my towels, and it works great. Peppermint energizes and invigorates, helps with nausea, head tension, stimulates mental focus, and is cooling to the skin. Please remember that if you have any questions or concerns, you can always leave a comment in the comment section of this video, and one of Plant Therapy's certified aromatherapists will get back to you. Or you can email us at aromatherapist@planttherapy.com. Be sure to check out video number 2 and subscribe to keep yourself in the loop when we post new videos.